Hello everyone, we're doing the brain quest.
Okay, question number 1. Which food is used to make tomato soup?
This one tomato.
Okay, very good. When you ride a bike, what should you always wear on your head?
And helmet. Wait a minute, so Venus can see that?
Yeah. A circle is round. How many circles are in this picture?
2.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because this is circle.
Guys, look at this. Is it 2? Let's find out. It's 3. Hey, you forgot the head.
Then the head is
Circle also.
the head is 3 also.
Okay. What should you brush in the morning and at the bedtime?
I think is time to toothbrush.
Brush
Brush your teeth.
Okay, very good. Which block look just like the block in the circle?
I think this one is easy.
Very
Same
good.
like that.
Which animal is the lamb's mother? Look at that one.
This one, a sheep.
Very
Mother.
good.
Why he don't know her mother?
He knows. I just asking you a question. Which picture goes with H?
This one.
What's that?
Helicopter.
Very good. It's helicopter, guys. Guess what this is?
Pineapple.
Very good. Which overalls are clean?
I think is this one.
Okay,
Mommy, did
very
you look
good.
at there?
No, I don't want.
Did you make